So you have this potential for tens or hundreds of millions of people to be displaced as seas rise. Places like Bangladesh are often cited as, places that are vulnerable for that, and it certainly is. But you don't have to go that far. I mean, there are people already on the Gulf Coast who are desperate to get out of their homes, who know that their homes are worthless now, and that they have to leave. I was in Arizona a few weeks ago with my daughter on a trip to the Grand Canyon, and on Route 66, the old road that the Dust Bowlers used to flee the Dust Bowl, we met people who were fleeing from Houston and who are not just fleeing from the storm, but saying, "We're getting out of here. We're moving to higher ground." I mean, this was happening on Route 66. It was these people I met were the new Joads. And you're going to see more and more of that. Estimates for the amount of people who will leave Florida are 2.5 million people will leave Florida by the end of the century. You know, the huge population in South Florida is vulnerable to sea level rise, and as their worth of their homes and declines, and the economies get hit hard by all the costs and consequences of continuous flooding, their jobs are going to go away, and they're going to be forced to go somewhere else. And where are they going to go? And this, as we know now, in the Trump administration, this movement of displaced people has enormous political consequences. And you can see it also in Puerto Rico. Puerto Ricans now, after the storm, fleeing Puerto Rico and many of them moving to the United States, of course, and to the mainland United States, and to Florida and New York and places like that. And what impact they will have on the culture and on the politics of these places, remains to be seen.